Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be getting into something special, and that is going to be a giveaway. And as you can probably tell, it is for a specific product from GEARWRENCH. So if you guys saw my recent video on the new GEARWRENCH bolt biters, not just this that I reviewed about a year ago, this is a set that you can purchase, or you can get them individually all the way up to very large kits. These are 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive rusted and rounded fastener removers. They're fantastic. Well, they recently just released their new lineup of 1/2 inch drive removers, and they are deep well sockets, and they go up to 5 or 25 or 1 inch, and they are pretty fantastic. They have minus sizes as well for those fasteners that are so rounded off they're no longer that specific size. So they have a wide variety of 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch, including shallow and deep well sockets. Now, these things are fantastic. They work in both directions, so clockwise, counterclockwise. So if you had to reinstall a fastener for any emergency situation or anything like that, it's possible now. They're a great set of removers for those stubborn fasteners. And now, over the last year, I've probably only used this set maybe a handful of times, because really you don't want to use these, but when they are necessary, they make your day a lot easier, because without something like this, it can be a really long day. So these things are fantastic. So this is all thanks to GEARWRENCH for sending me another set, which I'm going to give away to one of my subscribers. So it's going to be very simple. My last giveaway, I did it cross-platform with YouTube and Instagram, and that kind of eliminated quite a few people because they don't have Instagram. So I completely understand that. So we're going to keep this one extremely simple this time. All you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel and leave a comment down below saying, I'm subscribed, I'm interested in the tools, you know, anything. Leave a comment and just make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's all you need to do. Now, because GEARWRENCH put this on and made this all possible, I will ask anybody that does have Instagram to please go follow GEARWRENCH on Instagram. I'll have their link down in the description for you guys to simply or easily find it. You can also follow me on Instagram, Tony the Technician, or on Facebook, Tony the Technician. Those aren't mandatory. Just if you want to post pictures of your tools or what you're working on or anything like that, or just kind of chat with me or anything, those are options to do so. But in order to be enrolled in this giveaway for this specific set, which is 86071, it is this full 1/2 inch drive set, and I'll be shipping it out now. I did make this as simple as possible just by subscribing to my channel and commenting below, but this is going to be limited to the United States. So I'm sorry for those of you that live outside the United States. I know there are quite a few of you that follow my channel, and I'm hoping that one day I can do one outside of the United States as well. But I really hope you guys understand. But once again, all you gotta do is subscribe, leave a comment down below. And if you've ever used anything like this, or if you've considered looking at it, let me know your guys' thoughts. I absolutely love them. They've worked well the handful of times that I've really needed them. I'm glad because they work with many different options. I'll throw up a clip of them in use on a test block that I have a video of. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. But you can use it with an impact, wrench, pliers, a ratchet. I mean, they're very universal, great for a lot of different situations because of this hex feature on the back. They're impact rated and they work in both directions. Also, one big thing is these are lifetime warranty. So all the bolt biter stuff is lifetime warranty, so that's fantastic. So if you don't end up winning this giveaway, go ahead. If you are interested, they will be linked down in the tools I suggest link down in the description. So it is there for you, and I try and find the best pricing possible. So I'll roll a little clip of them in use, and I really hope you guys enjoy. All you gotta do is subscribe and comment below. Let's get into this.